In hospitals, sinks play a critical role in infection prevention. Did you know that aerators aren't the only way to introduce bacteria into the environment? When a faucet is splashing and gushing, that's yet another way to introduce bacteria into the area. We call this area the splash zone, and it can extend up to 3 feet away from the faucet. When water hits the sink basin, it can splash up to 3 feet away, and this is another way to spread bacteria into the environment. It's very important to note that this can include Pseudomonas, Legionella, and other very dangerous bacteria that can affect immunocompromised patients. Aerators are never allowed in patient care areas, and that's why we recommend laminar flow devices as the best way to restrict flow. Otherwise, that splashing is very, very dangerous. It's also important to make sure that we align our faucets to not be directly over the drain, because that's another way to introduce bacteria that could be living there. At Water Saver Solutions, we help hospitals manage their splash zones, not with splash guards, not with aerators, and not with restrictors, but of point-of-use laminar flow devices that are code compliant, reduce splashing, are silent, and help keep patients safe. Managing splash zones protects staff, patients, and the integrity of your water management plan. From all of us at Water Saver Solutions, let's keep patients safe.